This is the Learn to Trade online show where experts talk about their trading journeys and help traders make more money unlocking the world of online Forex, crypto and indices traders. We tell it like you want to hear it. Unfiltered insights, no corners cut.
Hi everybody and welcome along to the Learn to Trade online show for today, the 10th of October, the 9th of October 2023. My name is Paul Botterill. I'm the founder of Actions to Wealth and Online Trading Profits.
Hi guys, my name's Simon. I am a crypto trader and crypto investor.
Hi guys, I'm Ash Bull and I am a professional trader and investor. Welcome to the show.
Well, yeah, today we go. Hi guys, I'd like to see you all benefit of a week as an Ash through if they're into Casa down to Singapore for an Actions to Wealth education day, and today back to Bali for me and to London for you. You guys hear me okay?
Yeah, we're okay, mate. We're okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So we're doing our best, guys. We're on the airline channel, so there's a bit going on here. I'm going to get one of the teams to change my name to Paul Botterill instead of Actions to Wealth. And before I do that, I'm going to introduce you guys. In a moment, we're going to congratulate the winner who beat us in the trade this week. Another great effort. But before I do that, I'm going to show you what you need to do to go in the door to win $1,000 this week.
Might have got a little bit muffled.
You need to come through the Learn to Trade online Facebook page. You need to join that. You need to find this pinned post here. And when we ask you a question in a few minutes, you need to be the first person to answer it. We'll come back and do that in a few minutes. So James will put the link to the Facebook page in. And if you go into the Facebook page, join it, find this pinned post and get ready to comment. I'll come back and ask you a question in a little while. And we will have somebody else take us on for another $1,000. We have $1,000 winner this done. There we go. I'm going to put the pods away and just come onto the microphone and headset and just do the best I can with sound.
Can't hear you at all now, mate. I don't think.
Got me now?
No, not
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got me? Brilliant. Okay, so well, yeah, so as I was saying, if you join this page, and before we do any more, let's congratulate John Cook. Trades from last week. John came through pretty comfortably, really, and won the competition. He beat us for the $1,000. You can see John's trade here. He was sold CAD Swiss. He's up $62. Chasing him up was Ash, who's up $36. But John Cook wins it, and he'll get 1,000 Singapore dollars, which we will send to him not too far away.
Well done, John.
Congratulations, mate. That's great trading. So let's have a look at Ash's trade for this week. We'll get James to kill these trades. We'll do Ash's trade for this week. Then I'm going to ask the question. Then we'll do Simon's trade. Then we're going to see who answered the question first and gets the chance to have a crack at beating us for this week. The third week, and I doubt they'll do that, but let's see how we go, eh? Rightio, so Ash, your trade of the week.
So my trade this week is going to be with the Aussie versus the dollar, and I am going long on this trade. I have to say that the weekend's events have sort of changed my view a little bit, but this is what I do. It's the setup that I like. I know it looks a bit strange when we got this lower low and this push to the upside, but there's many seasonal factors that I like on this one. Looking at the 4 hour, starting to see a little bit of a push up, pull back, push up, pull back. I'm liking this one. I think it's got a little way to run, and I think it could actually run well into November. So if things kind of start to shape up the way that I think they will for the dollar, and I think we see some profit taken on the dollar, then I think the Aussie's got a pretty good shout of moving it up against it. And actually, I think quite a few things probably have. But my pick this week is going to be for the Aussie dollar, mainly because of the seasonal bias, but also because of the way the chart pattern on this 4 hour chart is starting to look.
Great. So Ashbull is going to go long Aussie dollar, and we are going to now ask the question. And the first person to answer this question in the Facebook page will get a chance to come on live and place their trade with us and see if they can beat us for the week and make $1,000. The question is Ash's surname, is he bullish or bearish by nature? Using Ash's surname, is he bullish or bearish by nature? The first person to answer that will be the person who gets the chance to do this. Simon, while they're putting their entries in and Ash is going to check them, we are going to have you do your trade of the week, please.
Okay, let's go, guys. I am going to go short the dollar. Here is why. I hate saying short the dollar at the minute, but I'm going to do it. Just looking back, look at this Dixie, looking back to 2014. It was the last time we put 12 straight weekly candles in a row. 12 straight greens, we followed it by 2 reds. That's not the reason why, but it's interesting that it was the 14th of July because this move started on the 17th of July. So it also started in the same month. The reason I'm taking this short is because I love this horizontal level at 92. My yellow lines on my charts are monthly lines. So this goes right back to 2011. You can see all of this support here.
Are we seeing the right chart? I don't have any yellow lines for support on this chart.
I'm US Swiss. You can't see a US Swiss chart?
You can see the dollar index chart at the moment.
Okay, let me stop sharing and go again. Bear with me. Sorry, mate.
That's okay, mate. While Simon is stopping sharing, we're going to go to Ash and he's going to tell us who is the one that'll put their trade in this week to see if they can beat the experts as we try and chase them down during the week. Ash, who's our winner? Can we have a look?
Yeah, so far, I don't think we've got any replies. So we still need to get somebody to come on and suggest, would I be a bull or would I be a bear? That's all the question is. Am I a bull or am I a bear? In accordance to my name. In accordance to my name, which is Ash Bull, by the way. So if you want to come on and win a chance to take us on at the trading competition, all you've got to do is click on the link in the Zoom, go to the Facebook page and write whether you think that I would be a bull or a bear.
Well, yeah, look, let's go to Simon and get this trade on. If no one enters, then we'll just trade amongst ourselves this week and see if someone wants the money next week. No problem saving $1,000, right? We can jackpot it next week. That'll be completely fine for us. Okay, Simon, what do you got for us?
US Swiss, you can see the yellow lines.
Trying to get back to it.
Yes.
Yeah, mate. See the yellow lines, yeah.
Okay. So we're talking US Swiss short. This is this yellow line through here is the 92 cent level. It's been strong for over 10 years. I put it on the weekly. We can see we're back underneath this line at 92. It's also, if you take a fib from this high to this low, it's the 0.382 fib that we're bouncing from. There's my 3 my 3 overboughts at the top of my stochastic on a weekly, which I really like. Everybody knows I like that. I only like them on the weekly, nothing else. And if I could take a profit, I would take it down here at 0.88, but I'm not allowed. I've got to run it for a week. I think the dollar's due a pullback, so I am short dollar Swiss.
Cool. Let's have one last look at the Facebook page. If no one's in, I'm going to close it up. If we can't give away $1,000 a week, if someone won't post a trade for $1,000, I'm not quite sure what else we can do for them. Are there any answers in there yet, Ash?
There are... Oh, what's this? No, there are no new answers that I can see here.
Okay, I'll check as well, but I think we're going to let it go. We're going to close it up, and we're going to look at my trade for today. And look, I'm just going to jump back on oldie but a goodie. I'm going to have a look.
Here we go. Oh, we got Gabriel, and we've got Eric Taylor. You would be wrong, actually. Gabriel is the only one that's answered correctly.
Okay, look, we'll come back and have a look at that in a minute. Look, I'm going to go long XBR. And I'm going to go, which is UK oil. And I'm going to use this chart instead of US oil simply because of this area down here. So I've got a nice trade moving average bounce here. I mean, it's broken up, but it's come back through on the news from the Middle East this week. But a nice bounce off it here. Tried to bounce off it there. Bounced off it there. Doesn't mind interacting with the trend moving average. It's not perfectly touches, but they're not bad. And another one here, another one here, another one here. So now we're above the trend moving average. I'm going to buy XBR, not XTI. That's because XTI doesn't have quite the same setup around the 200 moving average for me. So I'm going to buy the XBR as my trade for today. Rightio, we're going to see if James can get Gabriel in place another trade. If he can, we'll take Gabriel's trade. And in the meantime, I think we might start Well, unless we have Gabriel ready to go, which I don't know that we do. Can we? Okay. Let's do the sports bets. We'll come back and do Gabriel's trade after this, please.
Yeah, that sounds good. Let's do the sports bet. So, you were singing it, Si. Come on, you Arsenal. I don't usually say that, but it was my my sports bet of the week. So I had a winner. I believe you had a winner as well. Did you say?
Yeah. I had West Brom to beat Sheffield Wednesday last week, so I had a good winner. Paid 0.65.
Yeah, decent pick that one. So this week I am going for the nice simple one that I think is almost as far as I can get a sure thing as possible. 49ers to beat the Cleveland Browns at the Browns. 49ers managed to get a decent win last week. On Sunday actually, over the Dallas Cowboys, who are a decent team. You know, they're no slouches either. The Browns are pretty good, but I quite like the 49ers. I'm not loving the odds, but last week's 2-1 winner has kind of given me a little bit of room to be able to kind of go a little bit shorter this week. So for this week, San Francisco 49ers to beat the Cleveland Browns at home. And that's an NFL bet, so American football, if anybody's interested in that.
Cool.
So who should we go to next? Should we go to you, Si?
Simon, no?
Yeah, we can go to me next. I am plumped for it's the Euro qualifiers this weekend.
Yeah, I had a bit of a problem.
I am going to take a double. I'm going to take Poland away at the Faroe Islands, and I'm going to take Portugal at home to Slovakia on Friday night. The pair of them for £100 pay me 75. So it's a 0.75 bet. It's a double. It's Portugal and it's Poland in the end of this week.
Good job, mate.
Brilliant, mate. I'm going to take Argentina to beat Wales in the Rugby World Cup final. Got to say, there's just nothing I really like this week around that $2 mark. So I'm going to take Argentina to beat Wales just because I think both of them are average sides. And that really, on their day, anybody could beat Wales. So Argentina might knock them over at $2.40. I think it's decent money for them. And Wales' record in World Cup quarterfinals, from my recollection, is not that good. So we'll wait and see whether Argentina can get up and knock them over. If they do, we'll get $2.40 for that. I will have that one. Mine was a loser last week. I had Italy with 30 points against France, and France beat them by 70. So that was not so good.
Surprise one, that one, yeah. Incidentally, Lloyd had one this week as well, which is China-Vietnam draw in the football.
In front of a crowd of 7, I'd imagine. Let's get Gabriel Simon. Gabriel, can we get you on camera and unmuted, please? Gabriel, you're making a habit of winning, buddy. And you're driving home again, same as last time you did this. Same. Here we go, mate. We lost him. He said, "Here it's hey, buddy."
Well done, Gabriel.
So, Gabriel, a couple of weeks ago, you won the prize for IFTA. Came to Jakarta with me and Ash last week. Last week, you won the $1,000 when you were short gold on the gold move that went nuts. What are you going to do this? By the way, did you enjoy IFTA?
Sorry?
Did you enjoy IFTA? Did you enjoy Jakarta?
Oh, yeah, I did. I actually had learned a few things, and I'm going to back test it out.
Brilliant.
Fantastic. That's a good approach, mate. Us too. And, okay, mate, what's your trade for this week?
I actually don't really have a trade this week, but I think I'll go with dollar Swiss short.
Oh,
Dollar Swiss short. I don't think you can go dollar Swiss short. I think Simon's dollar Swiss short.
Oh, okay. Then it's a pound dollar long.
Oh, you can't do that either because... No, I'm joking.
Can't do anything that's going to win.
Is he pound dollar long?
He's pound dollar long. I tell you what, none of us like the dollar, do we?
Yeah,
It's really now it's going to be like, who's got the best currency this week, really? Because we're all against the dollar.
Let's see if the ever reliable James has managed to get these trades on already. We'll put the test on, James. You'll be in the middle of putting Gabriel's on trade on. I can see 3. We've still got there he goes. Look at him, James. Rely on that man, can't you? He is all good. And mate, that is our and thank you, Jack Gabriel. Always good. And look, guys, if you want to have a chance to win $1,000, Gabriel won it last week. John Cook won it this week. You can win it next week. All you've got to do is answer a question in that Facebook page. I'll be joining that Facebook page. The thread that we're looking for is pinned. So it's the yellow and blue thread. You click on that, write your comment, and we answer the question. The questions are always really hard, like what's Ashball's last name? So if you want to have a crack at making $1,000, then jump in and do that. In the meantime, any closing comments, Simon or Ash?
No, just I think obviously we're coming now back from IFTA and it was fantastic, and I'm actually really pleased to hear that Gabriel has come away from IFTA with not only some ideas, but it sounds like a good approach. Back testing is going to be a key to anybody's future success in the market, so really, really warm to hear that. Good luck to everybody. Happy birthday to Sai, of course, and we'll be back next week. Looking forward to it.
Cheers, guys.
Happy birthday to Sai. Hey, buddy, 40?
Go.
Look, remember to look after your capital. Take care with your trading. We'll be back next week to give you some more trades of the week. In the meantime, as I said, look after your capital, look after yourselves. We'll see you then. Thanks for joining us. Get in that Facebook page so you can win some money next week. See you all. Bye.
That's a wrap for this episode of the Learn to Trade online show. Keep your charts up and your trade savvy. For more insights, subscribe and catch us next time. See you in the next episode. Stay calm and make good decisions. The Learn to Trade online show is presented for informational and entertainment purposes only. The information presented should not be construed as investment advice. Always consult a licensed professional before making investment decisions. The views and opinions expressed on the Learn to Trade online show are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect those of the show's hosts, guests and sponsors. The Learn to Trade online show, its producers, sponsors and the hosts, Paul Botterill, Simon Williams and Ash Bill, shall not be liable for losses resulting from investment decisions based on informational viewpoints presented on the Learn to Trade online show.